Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
So we have, say for example, this particular test case. So what it's saying, it's a reservation test case. So verify reservation, and then what this column? This is the precondition, right? This is the precondition column. So what this precondition is mainly, in order to make a reservation, first you need to log in. That is nothing but the prerequisite or the precondition. So how we are going to make this precondition when you automate the test cases? Okay, so the precondition is login, and then he is doing the reservation part here. There are two steps. So here the question is how you are going to do this precondition part when you create the scripts. Okay, so that's where you will create these reusable actions. Okay. Reusable actions are nothing but so the reusable actions are nothing but automate a precondition from manual test case. That's correct, to automate a precondition from manual test cases. So for example, like I want to create a script, then how I can do this precondition is the reusable actions, the answer. So here, so now let's first talk about what is an action. How you define an action? What's an action? Okay, so ready, 1, 2, 3, action. So action is nothing but series of events, right? Action is series of events, or in other words, collection of events. Right? General terminology, collection or the series of events. So what are the events? If you look at any script, okay, so for example we did many scripts in the previous classes. Okay, so let me open any one of these scripts. I don't know, it's taking a long time. thing. Is it to open or not? Oops. There is something wrong. Okay, let me close and open again. This QTP tool has a lot of demand in the market. Like what I'm getting, the emails is the people are sending like, okay, they got the QTP job last week, and this week I got at least 2 or 3 mails. And the companies are looking like the people like who know the tool. Alright, so here let me open the script and then see if it works. Okay, good. Alright, so this is the script, and now if you look at it, by default it's going to create action 1. So whenever you record the script, it's going to create action 1, and another action that you have different events. Right, so these are the different events. Like if you expand this, say login, and then you see enter agent name is one event. So enter password is another event, and then click OK is another event. So these events together is called action 1. So by default it's going to create action 1. So default is action 1, and then so by default it's going to create action 1, and then default it is a reusable action. Say reusable action. So what it means is you can use this action in any other scripts. Okay, the reusable action means it can be used in any script. That's what the reusable actions means. It can be used in any scripts like. So by default it's going to create action 1, and under action 1 you have 3 such events, and by default it is a reusable action. That means you see there are 2 arrows here. That indicates, that icon indicates it's a reusable action. And then you can change this action properties to a meaningful name. Just right click on this and then select action properties. Okay, right click on this and select action properties, and then you are going to name this action to a meaningful name, right? Say something, say login. And also you can describe what this action is going to do. Okay, so this action does the flight login. Okay, something the meaningful description. This action does the flight login. And then you see there is a checkbox here, the reusable action. So there is the default, it is a reusable action. Then so click OK. So that way it's confirming. So you want to make all these changes, say yes, and then you see now you just give a meaningful name to this action, saying that it's a login action. Instead of say action 1 or something, you are giving a proper name to the action. Okay. So that's why I say like all the actions are recorded, and then by default it is an action one, and action contains series of events, and you can also change the action name, description, and all the things. Just right click on it and select action properties. Okay. So then here the question is how we are going to okay, so before we do this, so let me first start with a new script. So okay, let's try to create few scripts. Okay, just I'm selecting new test. Okay, alright. So now I'm going to create, because this concept is also a very important thing, like how you are going to run your 100, 200, 300 scripts. So this concept is very useful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to record the scripts. Okay, say for example, okay, first let's try to record the script. Automation, record and run settings. And then, so this is the application I want to open. Okay, so click OK and apply and OK. Alright, and now I'm going to record the script. So click on this record button. Okay, and then you are able to record the script. Okay, just give me 1 sec. Okay, so I'm going to record the script. So enter the name and password, and then so click OK button. So only this much I'm going to record in this particular script. Okay, just the login part. So I'm not going to record anything else in this particular script. Okay, then what I'm going to do, just enter the agent name, password, and click OK button, and then stop recording. And then now I can save this script. Okay, so file save. And then I'm going to save it into the folder. So I can create a folder here, something a batch scripts. Okay, subject, you create a folder, a batch scripts or something. Then I'm going to save everything, all the scripts into this folder. So I'm going to name this script as say login. Okay, I'm going to save this script as login, and then save it. So once you record the script, you can also change the action names and the things, right? So all you have to do is right click on this and select action property, and then rename this action as login, and then so you can also describe it. This action does the flight login. That's it. So name the action and then describe it, and then click OK. So it gives a confirmation message, say yes. Okay, so you recorded one script, right? So let's go and create one more script. Say file new, and then this is one more test, say yes. And now I'm going to create one more script for the login. For the reservation. So go ahead and click on this record button, and this time you will get this window, and you need not open any application because the application is already opened. Okay, if the application is not open, then you are going to say please open this application. In case the application is already open, because you are recording the script for this reservation, if the application is already open, no need to put any application, no need to instruct QTP to open application, right? Just simply click OK button. So now you are in recording mode again, and now so you are going to create a new order, right? So enter some data flights here, and then say you're going to select all these flights information and all that stuff, and then click on this flight. So this one actually says asked in the beginning, okay, how I'm going to select a different flight from this list. So usually that stuff you can do with a little bit logic using the BB script, but that time that actually we are going to discuss next week once we cover the BB scripting part, because it's too early to talk about the logics and those things. Okay. So for the time being, what you're going to do is don't select anything from this list. Just simply click OK button. And then now you're going to enter the customer name, then say insert order. So this is the script to do the reservation process, right? Fine. And then again, I'm going to stop the script, stop recording. So click on the stop record, and then so you can also rename this particular action, saying that it's a reservation. So this is one more script. And then you're going to say this action that the reservation for the flight reservation. Okay. And then click OK button. Again, you will get one more confirmation. Say yes. And then let's try to save this script also. Save file, save. And then, so I'm going to save this script as the reservation. Okay, that's the script and save it. So let's do one more script. Select file and select new test again. And I'm going to record the script again to close the application. Okay, so click on this record button, and then again, because the application is already open, right? So you need not instruct QTP to open application. And then, so if the application is already open, you are recording against it, then you need not say anything here to open this application or that. Okay, just leave this dialog empty and then simply click OK button. So that is going to record against the open application. And then now I'm going to say close this application and then stop recording. So this one I'm going to record. Again, I'm going to change this action property, saying that this is closing application. And also we're going to say this action that close application or app photo. Then click OK. Here's a confirmation. Say yes, and then save this script also. Say file save, and then so I'm going to save this to say file close and save it. So this way we created 3 scripts, right? One is to open, one is to log in, the other one is to reservation, the other one is to close application. So this way you can create multiple scripts for the application. Okay. So once you create these scripts, then how you can call these scripts into a different script. Okay. So that's what we are going to discuss. First, everybody, can you please create these scripts before we go and discuss about how to call these scripts. I want everybody to create at least these 3 scripts, and then we can discuss how to call the scripts into a different script. Okay, so please do this. You done? Any questions? Alright, so now let's see how you can call these scripts one by one, right? So I'm going to create a master script now. Okay, I'm going to create a master script now. Say new. Okay, so this is a new script. And then how to call these scripts one by one. So this is altogether a new script. Okay. So select file new test. Now we are going to call the scripts one by one. So here insert, and then see there are different things here. Call to an existing action. Under insert, call to an existing action. So best select this part is easy once you switch from keyword view to the expert view. Okay, so that way it is easy to call the scripts. All you have to do is click on this expert view, and now so you're going to do insert, call to an existing action. So once you display, it's going to display this window. Select action. And you are going to click on these three dots, this browse for file button. So click on this button, and then so it's going to display open test window. And on top of this, now you are going to select the drive. Where did you save your scripts? Just go to that particular folder. Okay, so double click on this C drive, and then so where did you save your scripts? And you have to go to that particular folder. Okay, so this is the folder like where did I save my scripts, and then there is a bash scripts folder. So if you go to that particular folder, like you see all your scripts, the one that we created just now, right? Say login, reservation, and closer. And now we are going to select which script you want to call. So we're going to say, okay, I want to call login. So select the particular script and click on open. Okay, so select the particular script and click on open, and then now it's going to show you what is the reusable action from the script. It's going to show what is the reusable action from that script. So what the action description says, this action does the flight login. This is what actually the description what we gave when we create these reusable actions, right? And then click OK. and now you see that action is called here. So once you're inside, all you have to do is select from this drop-down list action 1. Select from this drop-down list action 1, then you see now says the action 1 is called. Login is called. And then, so move your cursor on the second line now. Place your cursor on the second line and then do the other thing. Okay. So I want to call to existing action again, and then this time click on this button. This time I want to call reservation.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website H2KInfosys.com. On our website H2KInfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.